I'm here today with these closet organizers, and it came in like a 3-pack here, but they came in separate packs in just a box. So the packaging isn't that great. It's not really branded anywhere or anything, but let's see how this works. So okay, oh cool. So you have just one box. It folds neatly, so you can easily fold this back up if you need to. Perhaps for if you're moving or just don't want to use that. And then there's a zipper here at the back, and we can zip this up. Let's see, zip this up, and now it's fully unfolded. So you got 3 of these with a lot of compartments, so I think that's pretty nice as well. You can put a lot of different things in here, like separate socks, for example. I think that could work, and these should all be exactly the same. Let's see this one, and then zip that. Yeah, so you just set this up in like a couple of seconds, and then you can put your stuff in here. So very cool. It's still quite sturdy. It has this mesh on the inside, and then you can put all your things right in there, like all your separate socks, or fold up, roll up your underwear and put those in there. So very cool, and I really recommend.